In this video, we'll walk through how to use AppraiseIQ, the DealerCenter Inventory Appraisal Chrome extension. This powerful tool lets you evaluate vehicles directly from auction sites and listing pages using the same trusted DealerCenter appraisal features you already know. Let's take a look at how it works. To get started, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can find this by Googling it or going directly to chromewebstore.google.com. Next, search for DealerCenter Inventory Appraisal. When you find it, click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once installed, the extension works automatically as you browse vehicle listing pages. You can open the extension manually by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, then selecting the DealerCenter extension from the list. When a VIN is detected, you'll see the DealerCenter logo appear next to each vehicle. Click the logo to open the appraisal panel on the right side of the page. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign into your DealerCenter account. When you first open the extension on a listing or auction site, you'll see a summary panel showing all the VINs found on the page. This list gives you quick visibility into how many vehicles the extension has detected. Each VIN listed corresponds to a vehicle on the page, and you'll notice the same VIN next to the blue DC Appraise logo. If the DC logo doesn't appear next to the VINs, it may be due to how the website displays or loads its data. Try refreshing the web page and clicking the refresh icon inside the extension. That will reload the VINs and display the logos correctly. To open the appraisal panel for a specific vehicle, you can either click the Appraise button in the extension panel or click the DC logo directly next to the vehicle in the listing. The extension will pull in key vehicle details automatically, like VIN and mileage, and open a compact version of DealerCenter's appraisal tools. From here, you can view book values, run history reports, and use the built-in appraisal calculator to set your pricing strategy. Depending on your DealerCenter subscriptions, you may see one of two calculator types, one based on market pricing data, and the other based on book values like Kelley Blue Book or J.D. Power. If you're subscribed to market pricing data, the calculator compares your vehicle against real-time listings of similar cars in your area. It shows your vehicle's rank in the market, its percentage of market pricing, and your estimated front-end profit. The appraisal calculator is dynamic. As you adjust one value, like asking price, profit, or appraisal amount, the others update automatically. This helps you quickly see how different pricing strategies or cost changes impact your profit and how much you should spend acquiring the vehicle. If you're using the book value-based calculator, you'll see a slightly different layout, but the functionality is similar. You can select the book value you want to use, choose the pricing basis, like retail or auction, and then enter your recon, pack, and profit amounts. The tool will calculate your target appraisal value accordingly. Below the calculator, you'll also see a summary of all book values, including fair market range, trade-in value, private party, and auction numbers. This gives you a comprehensive look at where your vehicle stands. Everything you do in the extension is synced with DealerCenter, so when you're ready to appraise the vehicle in full, you can save your work or start building out the rest of the appraisal in the main platform. DealerCenter's AppraiseIQ gives you the speed and flexibility to work smarter, whether you're bidding at auction or researching new inventory. If you have questions or need help, reach out to our support team. We're here to help.